we go. We are done. Let's show you the final product on this full bathroom remodel. All right, we're looking good. Floor tile is installed. We need to prep the floor tile. Shower is all prepped, ready for grout. Arctic white going on the walls. We've got platinum grout being installed behind this beautiful glass mosaic for the decorative for the niche. Alright guys, grout is done, tile is done, and now it's time for all of the fixtures. Install our vanity, top, sink, faucet. It's an all-in-one cabinet. So protecting the floor now because we do have to do drywall work, sand, texture, match. We got a knockdown here. We're going to pull that decorative light, pull the medicine cabinet, pull all the fixtures so that we can paint this bathroom. Shower looks wonderful, looks super duper clean. Nice jewelry for the niche deco there. Tub's in, we're gonna run our silicone around the perimeter of the tub and down these legs here. So quite a bit of work to do today. Lots of drywall, lots of paint, lots of prep before we pull the vanity up here. Here we go. We're making great progress. Everything's moving fast. We have about, I would say, one full day left until this remodel is complete. Baseboard is in, caulked, lightweight spackle. We're gonna wait for that to set up, dry, paint the baseboard a second coat, get the vanity all hooked up, fresh water lines and drain. Tub's in, shower's in. I'll show you what that looks like in detail soon. So, well, we got lucky on this Friday. We bring good karma, so we have karma come back to us in a good way. After opening the box, everything came out in pieces. We removed the drawers. The top was not installed, which we're very happy about. Cabinet weighs about 80 pounds. The top, I don't know, 120, and then we have these heavy drawers here. So this Friday is a good Friday. Let's install. We are done. Let's show you the final product on this full bathroom remodel. We will first start with the floor, 12 by 24, non-rectified, very light gray Carrera at a 50% offset, flat and level. Installed a new toilet, baseboard throughout this bathroom, chrome fixtures. The finish in this bathroom for all fixtures is chrome. Installed an all-in-one vanity kit. Beautiful soft close drawers. We have a marble top Carrera undermount sink and a chrome faucet. All new plumbing. Underneath this cabinet, installed a decorative mirror. This is the only original items of this bathroom: medicine cabinet and light fixture. Let's swing on over to the tub surround. We installed a tall soaking tub, curved with these cuts here. We had to make radius cuts with this tile. Everything is nice and clean, beautiful tub. We installed a new mixing valve. We have a diverter that is attached to the shower head. So, new mixing valve, new trim kit. We have a handheld, we have a large shower head. Field wall tile, high gloss, 12 by 24 rectified, super clean, slick, bright, modern. Let's take a look at this beautiful niche. We trimmed everything out with a Schluter Jolly white, clean tight miters at all four corners. And we installed the jewelry of the shower, a beautiful glass mosaic. And that's it, guys. For this remodel, we're very excited how this bathroom turned out. Very, again, clean, bright, modern. Our client is extremely happy as well. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe, tap the bell notification so you get notified, and smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.